That was scary.
Alright, then, here's the ghost story.
You got 3 minutes, eh?
Alright, so there's old ladies in the kitchen, but this old lady, she's in her kitchen, right?
Okay.
For some reason, it's midnight and she's in her kitchen.
For some reason.
Alright, then, and she's just sitting there, and she's like, oh, I wish I had some company, because she's alone. And then out of nowhere, down her chimney, which is in the kitchen, two legs fall out of the chimney, right? And then a body, 2 arms, and then a man's head. And out of nowhere, the body parts started coming together, right? And it turned into a man, and it starts dancing, or like, right there. And the old lady, she's like, what do you come for? All freaked out and shit. The man just started getting closer and closer to her. He puts his hand on her shoulder, and then she's all freaking out and shit, right? And he's like, what did I come for? And they was like, yeah, what do you want? And the dude or whatever, he's like, do you have some salt?
You're fucking stupid.
It's scary, dude. I would shit myself if that would happen, dude. That's a true story, dude. What the hell? What happened to my Uncle Ray Ray?
Any more stupid ghost story?
Another one?
Yeah.
Alright then. I just came again. Alright then.
Dale, Chucky. Dale. 99 bottles of beer on the wall. 99 bottles of beer.
There's one guy. No, not one. Alright, so there's this lady, she's in her like in a room she's in a room in her house, right? And then her husband is in the other room, and he's like sick and like he's gonna die sooner or some shit, right?
No.
And then she looks out the window and she sees like 2 headlights coming into the driveway, and then like then she noticed it's one of those cars where they take dead people in. And there's like, and then it stops, right?
Hurry up!
And
Your time's almost up.
6 people come out of the car, right? And they all have like glowing eyes, and they all walk into the house, and they take like and they're all holding like a body and shit, right? And they put the body in and they drive away. And right when they drive away, the nurse walks in the room where the lady was, and she's like, your husband just died. That's it.
Pathetic.